Hey! Hello! Welcome to Cambo's Kitchen, episode 3. This is my son Hani and this is Lulu. They shall be assisting me today. Today we're making Mayan chicken. Possibly one of the easiest dishes that I've ever made, and it's so stupid quick to prepare. It takes a little time to cook, but it takes no time to prepare. Alright, all we need is some oranges and lemons, cumin, salt, a good amount of black pepper, obviously a chicken. I've got chicken drumsticks, but I've often used Maryland's or cheaper cuts, but seeing it's a cooking show I thought I'd go all flash. And I've got chicken breast because Suze hates chicken with bones in it. So I'll whack a piece of that in. A pot, I've got a cast iron pot that I can whack into the oven. But you know, you can use a casserole dish or anything. Often I use couscous, but today I couldn't find the couscous, so I'm just going to steam some rice and some olive oil or any oil that you like. And that's about it. When I buy rice, I buy 10 kilos of rice at a time. I mean, rice is a great staple, quick and easy to cook. Oh, you put it in. Quick. Think another one? Quick, another one. Yeah. Just got a $20 rice cooker here.
So how much water are you adding, Peter?
At the moment, just give it a little bit of a, you know, fill it up a bit so that the rice is, you know, covered. And if you give it a bit of swill around, you find the milky sort of water comes off. It stops it being too starchy. And then, this is the magic way of cooking rice. For me, it's one knuckle. I don't measure anything with rice, it's steaming rice, especially with the rice cooker. So one knuckle, you make sure it's fairly flat, and that's about enough. Rice cooker, thanks baby.
You left the lid here.
So we get this rice on first. That's alright. Lid.
Here.
This is on. That'll be cooked in 25 minutes. Now we need the chicken. Thanks Lou. Can you open that up? Is that knife big enough for you, bro?
That is one knife.
I like to teach my kids how to use knives reasonably safely. Just going to put a slurp of oil in here.
Slurp, a very good slurp.
Yeah.
That's a very big slurp.
That is a good slurp, isn't it?
It's very big.
It's a very big. Put the chicken in.
It's big. Wet. Disgusting.
Beautiful. 1 teaspoon of salt. Which seems like a lot, but this dish is sort of really good salt. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. In fact, just throw all that black pepper in here. That's about a teaspoon of black pepper. I reckon it's a bit more. And because Suze hates bones.
I'll take it.
Yeah, grab them.
And Suze is your...
Suze is my beautiful wife.
So which one do we put it in there?
Just whack her in, no? Yeah, beautiful.
Wow, it's so good.
Now then,
Yummy. Can I do that?
we just need a quarter cup of orange juice. But once again, I mean, it doesn't matter, you know. At the end of the day,
Stop squirting in my eye.
I'm not squirting in your eye.
Sorry.
They're rough amounts. You can't actually do, once again, this is another dish, you can't actually do anything wrong.
Honey was
Here. Have you been licking that? Doesn't matter. Here, lick this one. That's yummy. Yeah, yummy.
Yeah.
No, yummy, yummy.
Get out of it. Yum. It is quite yummy.
This orange is just coming apart. It's
Yucky.
not a problem. Put the fork in.
Okay.
Yes, fork. And then
Okay.
pips and all. Don't worry about the pips. You know, maybe worry a little bit about the pips.
Yum.
Doesn't matter.
No, do we need to?
But you know, fundamentally, I suppose rather than quarter cup, you could look at juice of one juicy orange.
Please, you have to
Where's-
go.
oh.
You just
Use
make the
something
noises.
to do.
Can I do it again?
Yeah, do you want to try this one? There you go. Stick it in.
Yeah.
And move it from side to side. Over the pot. That's it. That's it, baby. Oi! Oi! Tear head. While you're doing that,
What?
one generous spoonful
Yeah.
of,
Can I put that in?
some call it cumin, some call it cumin. I say, hold on, I'm coming. Cumin. So we've got black pepper, we've got salt, we've got the cumin. Jane, do you know what oregano is? Lou, do you know what oregano is?
Yeah.
Can you go get some?
No.
Oh, thanks, honey.
I can do
Don't let your children play with super razor sharp knives.
that. Can I do that?
Yeah.
So.
Lou, can you go get some cumin? Not cumin, oregano.
I don't know what it is.
Suze! Go, Mum will show you, though. I need a big piece. Mum's going to show you. She's happy.
What's oregano? Here you go.
Alright. Thanks, baby. So we've got some oregano from the kitchen garden.
Jane, don't stand on the table.
Yes,
We
get your
eat
feet
on-
off the table. Yes,
we
thanks,
eat
Lou.
on- I wasn't doing
There we go.
it. Jane, stop it. Please.
Shush, shush. There we go. Oranges and lemons. Now, we've got chicken
Can you
breast.
cut one
Excuse
off?
me. We've got our salt, pepper, cumin, oregano. Oh! We didn't put garlic in.
Garlic.
Garlic and Now I've got a simple way of putting garlic in this particular dish.
Daddy?
Hey, yes, darling, what?
Bring the lemon so I can have one piece.
Hang on, darling. Can I just do this first?
Yes.
Thanks. So I've got all this garlic, a handful, just chop the end off, throw it in. She's right.
I couldn't stop laughing.
Don't worry about peeling it. It's just, it's not a dish that gets stirred so the peels don't, you know. Thank you, darling. Lid on. Straight in the
So
oven.
now can you cut the lemon, Daddy?
Temperature unknown.
180.
180.
Everything's 180.
Yeah, I thought it was 350, 350.
Yeah, well, actually 350 it could be if it was Fahrenheit.
Because I sort of figure, you know, we've got so flash. Look, we've got no. Won't go through it again. I just turned it on 10, and now wait. Hour. I could set this, but really it means nothing to me. So we just wait until it's cooked.
Okay.
Alright. Here we go. I reckon it's been, you know, about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. But doesn't matter. It's been cooking at an unknown temperature. Which is, Darcy?
We are teaching people how to cook, aren't we, Pete?
Well, teaching people not to be scared of cooking. That it's not all science and...
That's okay, I'll add the science later.
Yeah. Get nice ingredients, apply heat, and everything will be alright. Ouch! But not to your hands. Now, this is the good bit. Man, check that out. It smells really good. Yeah. Mayan chicken. You gonna have some, Michael?
Oh yes, please, Cambo.
Rice. Bit of dead chook. Bit of juice.
You make it sound so appetising. Bit of dead chook.
It smells amazing.
It does smell amazing. Here you go, man.
Oh, it's a lot.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, yeah.
That's a sad amount of parsley. There you go.
Thank you.
Yum, yum. I was going to say we're cooking. So, once again, this is Cambo's kitchen. Eating all the good stuff.
Fun on a Sunday.
Fun on a Sunday. Yeah, the message is cooking's easy. You know, you don't need temperatures. You don't need anything.
Yes, you do.
Just cook the shit.
You need temperatures. And out.